So, there you go guys. Good morning, good morning. Ito na nga at nakapag-jog and walk na ako and stretching and exercise and everything. The thing that I need to do now is yung aking hourly task. I need to double check yung hourly task ko is 6 o'clock. And ano yung task ko on that specific time kasi I'm doing plan and nililist ko talaga yung task ko on a specific day para ma-accomplish ko siya, diba, na I will not forget anything in a specific day, diba, na achieve ko yung yung plan ko, yung target ko on that specific day with, well, if you are a leader or if you are a manager, talagang dapat meron kang plan and yung duration yung plan mo, na i-take mo yung action, diba, na kailan mo i-double check if na-accomplish mo 100% yung task mo. Same thing sa personal life, na kailangan nakalist yung mga kailangan natin i-accomplish, diba, para yung araw natin is meron tayong good result, 100% na nagawa natin lahat yung ating accomplishment. Kapag yung isang task ko in a specific time is na-delayed on time, basta ang gagawin ko is I gonna make sure that in that specific day nagawa ko yung task na yon, diba? So like and share, follow me for more. See ya.